To send a standard supplier invoice and collect payment data to use with your third-party supplier portals, click Create, Invoice Supplier, and then add your items. You can add as many items as you'd like. In this case, we'll add a hotel with the description, quantity, price, confirmation number, hotel name, room number, and check-in and check-out times. We'll also flip over to the Commission tab and add in our booking date and our expected commission and expected commission collection date. Once we've entered all of this information, we can click Save. From here, you can add as many additional items as you'd like. After you've done so, we'll move down to the Add Payment button. This adds the first payment to the payment schedule and automatically enters the full amount of the invoice. If you'd like to edit the invoice to add a payment schedule, you can click the individual payments, adjust the payment amount, adjust the due date, and adjust the description. Once you've completed the payment schedule, it should add up to the same amount as the total of the invoice. From here, you can click Next and save if you're not ready to send the invoice, or click Next, save and review email, then send if you're ready to send the invoice to your client.